Hi, my name is Caitlín again, and I'm here with the Phoenix Concertina. Just to tell you a little bit about it first, this is a great intermediate concertina. It is a very, very good price, very easy to play, good action. The reeds are Czech handmade steel reeds. It has a new improved lever system, and as you can see, it is very attractive, lovely finish on it there. So I'm going to play a reel for you now called the Floggin Reel. But before I do that, we're delighted to offer you some free video lessons when you buy this concertina, and those video lessons will help you along on this concertina, and they will be with myself. So the Floggin Reel.